Okay, I'm Johnny Surfer from the Loop Brothers, and we're going to be checking out the RC300 with some of the tunes from the Hong Kong Nights album. So, this button takes off the delay, and I'm just going to show you basically, well, the general setup is you play, stop, play, stop, play, stop. You have 3 different tracks. Have your volume, main volume here. You have your 3 channel volumes here that adjust each one of these channels, and you have your input channels volumes here. So, this is a basic functionality of some of the Loop Brothers songs that we want to share with you. I really love this song. So we got this little riff recorded into here, okay? It's beautiful. It's got a you know what I mean? Then we got this. Played this on the piano thing, on the keyboard. Recorded it in here. Threw my line in here, mic in, into this track, and I can control the volume here. Okay? And what have we got here on number 2? I Wonder. Let's try it. Okay, so when you're out at home and you're feeling the flow and you know what you got to do. When you're out in the zone and you know it's your own, you realize what you got to do. I said, remember Bob Marley. Okay, that's a song called Remember Bob Marley on the RC300. This is the Loop Brothers setup. This is what we've been doing on this for the Hong Kong Nights album. The Infinity album, it's a whole other story. And I'll tell you all about that in the future. Right now, we're going to explain Hong Kong Nights album and how we created it. And it was thanks to this beautiful machine and people like Tash Sultana and Dub Effects and, you know, a lot of thousands of unknown loop station artists that are out there that are influencing and, you know, creating a better world. Thank you, people. Peace. Okay, so that's pretty much a general overview on the Boss RC300 loop station, which we love. Very useful, very fun, cool toy. There are other features like the amount of time each loop will last until the loop comes in. I have it set up so when I press it, it starts recording, and when I press it again, it will take that piece of time. Okay, that's in the setup. I'll teach you how to do that on the masterclass. And also this pedal here we have not spoken about. Can control your volume of the whole tracks, can control one effect, can also let the effect in and out, and can do some other funky stuff too. But more in depth is going to be in the masterclass in the future. Okay, so this is a basic setup. Please, if there's anything you'd like to know about it, just write a comment down below, and we'll figure it out with you and share it. Share the love, people. Share the music. Peace.